These are the objects we are printing today.
I'm Charles Low, and this is the Octave Light R1. It is not science fiction. Today we are going to print at 25 micrometer per layers. And 25 micrometer is a quarter the thickness of this piece of paper. So we are printing at very fine details here. And you are going to see how easy you can use the Octave Light R1 to print your own beautiful model.
Then, we are going to put our print objects under a microscope to show you their glorious details. The almost blue color light you see on the surface of the liquid resin is the powerful ultraviolet LED inside the R1. It is energy efficient and it has a long lifetime. The optical engine of the R1 is custom made for the purpose of industrial grade stereolithography. It contains more than 2 million digital micromirrors to precisely control the light pattern on the surface of the liquid. This pattern of light turns the liquid resin into solid plastic. All other affordable DLP SLA 3D printers on the market today uses a bottom-up printing approach. Their bottom-up printing approach forms solid plastic on the surface of a piece of solid, then forcefully separates the newly solidified plastic from the solid surface. Their forceful peeling actions usually destroys the objects their printers are printing. That's why those affordable DLP SLA 3D printers on the market today has high print failure rate. The Octave Light R1 has no such problem. And of course the R1 is affordable too. The Octave Light R1 uses a top-down printing approach which forms a solid plastic on the surface of air. Yes, air. So there's no peeling actions required. Your printed object with all of its details are preserved. That's one of the reasons why the Octave Light R1 is the most dependable and the highest precision DLP SLA 3D printer you can buy now with an affordable price.
And that's how easy it is for you to successfully use the Octave Light R1 to print your own beautiful model. You press the print button before you go to bed at night in the evening, and when you wake up next morning, here is your model waiting for you.
If you are a jewelry maker, you can 3D print your casting patterns. If you are an engineer or an industrial designer, you can print your CAD drawings into functional prototypes with the Octave Light R1. If you are a 3D artist, you can turn your digital arts into real objects. No matter who you are, Octave Light R1 can turn your inspiration into reality. Here are the jewelry casting patterns of 2 rings under microscope. This model of a molecular structure is supported by only 1 rod, and it is actually a sphere inside a sphere. Here is the microscopic photo of the top of a tower of the Reims Cathedral we have just printed. You can see the individual pixels in this microscopic photo. The Octave Light R1's optical engine contains more than 2 million pixels. Each pixel is 50 micrometer times 50 micrometer. That's the kinds of details we have achieved with our top-down printing technology. We are uploading 1 video onto Vimeo each week.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.